Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and this is Miss Cali Cat. You want to say hi, Miss Cali Cat? Y'all, I'm so excited. I bought my first ever, this is the first time I've actually bought anything from GlamLite, but y'all, I'm a fan, okay? I'm a fan of Mikayla from TikTok. I watch her a lot, and I just think she is the sweetest little person, and you know, she says what's poppin', and hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina, this is Miss Bonnie Faye, and Miss Cali Cat is in my lap. Say hi. So y'all, I filmed my first ever purchase from GlamLite. It was the Mikayla palette. I had been wanting this palette. I watch Mikayla all the time on TikTok, and she's really good at makeup, y'all. And she really inspires me to be better at makeup. She also has some of the mental health issues that I have, dealing with depression, things like that. And so it's always good to see somebody who kind of understands you and what you do and can do the same and get through it. So I wanted to, anyway, I got off track. I started filming this, and I filmed the first half, and the second half, I have no idea what I did. I don't know if I turned the recorder off or whatever, but that piece is just gone. So I'm going to film this again. I'm going to show you this palette again. I do still have the swatch pictures and things that I did with it. So I don't know if I'll put that beginning intro in there. I may, because it just depends on which one's better. But yes, it's all about this Mikayla palette. Now I paid $42 on this from the GlamLite website. Right now I think that their palette that they're doing is icy related, which, you know, reds and blues. Really fun. I love that they do stuff like that. Look at the glitter. Oh my goodness, I can't stop playing with it. It's like a gigantic fidget for me. So we're going to look inside of this. It's not going to be brand new anymore because I have been using it, and you know, I swatched it for y'all, but you can still see the gorgeous colors. Look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. And I love that, you know, when you watch Mikayla, she'll use her palette so she can show you different looks you can make with these colors. And I know she uses this color a lot, the best color. But man, so cool. I'm not going to swatch into it right now because I can just show you the swatches I did with brushes, by the way. Y'all, that way, well, I'll show you a few of them. Because, oh my goodness, these colors, y'all. Look at that. I mean, beautiful, beautiful. You know, I love the shimmers. Let me do a matte one. Let me do the best color since I talked about it. Look at those. But yeah, the swatches I did with brushes so you can actually see what they look like when you use a brush with them. And it's all pretty on my arm and everything. So anyway, that's the Mikayla palette. I will put links and stuff below if you do want to try it. I also link Mikayla because, you know, we creators, we have to promote each other. She is on TikTok and not on YouTube. I don't think she has a YouTube channel. I'll look into it, but I don't think she does. I think she's purely on YouTube. Anyway, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.